This is a classic SAT move. They've been doing this forever. Basically, they're asking you to calculate something, but they're not giving you a thing to calculate, right? In a group, 40% of the items are red. Well, a group of what? How much is in the group? Well, this is a great example of the arithmetize strategy, making something that we could probably solve without it, but much easier, right? We want to know the number of things in the group. It's much easier to take a percentage of a thing, of a number, not some hypothetical group. So what's the easiest number to deal with when we have percentages? 100. So let's pretend this group has 100 things in it. 40% of those things are red. So you could probably do this in your head because we chose 100, but even if not, or even if you chose a different number, you're multiplying by 0.4, so that is 40 red items. Of all the red items in the group, 30% also have stripes. Okay, so of the 40, now we multiply by 3.3 to get the 30% that are stripes. So this one I'm going to use my calculator. 40 times 0.3 is 12 striped and red. And what do they want? What percentage of the items in the group are red and have stripes? So that's exactly what we calculated. They could have flipped it, and they could have said, oh, which ones aren't red and don't have stripes or something weird. So we got to read the question. But there you go, 12. Now, remember what we did, right? I mean, 12 is the answer. But remember what we did, right? We picked a value for the number of things in the group. Because we picked 100, it's really easy to tell that 12% fall into this red striped category because we're taking out of 100. But if you picked a different number, you would just need one more step here. You would just say, okay, 12 out of 100, or the items I care about over the total, that's my percentage, 0.12, and there you go. That's what 12% is a decimal. So don't give yourself that extra step, right? Arithmetize a smart number so that you can see it more easily. But technically there's a third step for some of us. So just, in case you you went down that route, there's the other step. But this is a classic SAT move, as I said, and our move is also very much in line with what it's been for many iterations of the SAT. Don't think about things conceptually or abstractly. Give yourself real numbers. It's much easier to visualize what's going on if you have numbers.